Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a review on, of course, Boxy Charm. Now I already opened it. I usually don't like to open it before. I like to open it with you guys so you guys can get excited of what it's gonna be, just the way, or I guess I can get excited just to see what like I got with you guys. I don't know if you know what I mean, right? So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Like I said, I already know what's in the box, and the reason I opened it was because like this month I got it super late and I was so anxious to do a video already. I was just like, let's get it over with. But anywho, I did swatch some stuff, and that's okay because now I can tell you guys what I really think about the product. I did swatch like 3 things, so yeah, let's open it up and let's get to it. So here's the box. I don't know, so you can see what it looks like. There you go. Okay. So this is the July box. And the first thing I'm gonna get out of this box, because it's calling my name, the box is this bad boy right here. Yeah. I'm already dropping things. Okay, so this for her, Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. It's an eye mask, anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. It comes with 12 pairs, and I'm just excited. You leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let's open this. If I can open it. Oh, I got something here. You guys, and I apologize for not having my makeup. I honestly do this at night, and like sometimes I like to try on like moisturizers, or I mean, you know, just I like to try on things. So it comes with 12 of these bad boys, and each of these come with 2 inside. So of course it's on cleanse and makeup free skin, carefully place eye mask in under eye area. Okay, so you're gonna place it here, and it's like the gold. See? Now, when you put them on, you leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then of course when you take it off, you see that liquid inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, well that extra liquid you can also rub in your eyes. You don't want to push your eyes back because of course that creates wrinkles, but just tap it in or smooth it in and it'll glide right on. But I'm excited to try this tonight. Okay. Next, and this here costs, regular price is $21. That's pretty much what I paid for this box. $27. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. This rates up to $25. And it's an eyeshadow, and it's a cream base. Let me see if you guys can see that. There you go. Okay, so this is one of the things that I did swatch, and I loved it. I did. But then, like, I was doing stuff around the house, and I noticed that it literally came off. Like, I mean, maybe if you use it with the primer, you know? But I swatched it. It came off. I'm sorry if I'm always looking this way because I'm using my phone as my camera, so I have it. It's a long story. Maybe one day I'll show you my setup of how I'm doing this. And no, I don't have a ring light. I'm using my stepdaughter's vanity lights, and I'm using my phone to film, and I use my phone to edit. So yeah, maybe if you use a primer, maybe it will stay, but it didn't stay in my hand. maybe I'm doing stuff with my hand, and obviously we don't do stuff with our eyes, but I would literally cross it like this or tap it like that, and you can see like all the shimmer fall. So we'll see with the primer. Next is our Beauté Bronze in Paradise. You guys see that? And of course we open it up and it comes with a mirror. If you guys want to, no, you don't want to see what I'm, okay, I guess. Can you guys see my setup? I'm using an acetone. Anywho, to sustain my phone. But yeah, here you have a bronze and a little bit of blush. I like to use these type of blushes. I mean, maybe it's bronzer because it says bronzed, but maybe I'll use it as a blush because I kind of like this for like winter. No, not winter. Yeah, winter. So let's, I scraped it. Okay. I'm gonna do a swatch in each finger. This one here, this one here, this one here, and this one there. And you see the colors? I'll probably be using more or less these two for sure. No, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm really digging this. And it's real soft, and it picked up the pigment real good. So I can't wait to try that. Okay. This one is a value of, where is it? $30. $30. Okay, next I'm going to show you this eyeliner, and it's called the Doucce. I don't know, I might be pronouncing it wrong. Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. Now, this is another one. I don't know. Let me swatch it here first. Now, at first, I liked it. It was the right amount of black, but, and I'm not, I mean, maybe somebody else might like these products, but it's BoxyCharm. You never know what you're gonna get. You can like some things, you don't like some things, but at the end of the day, guess what? I purchased this box for $27, and sometimes it's a value of like in total $200, $300, $200, $250. So for me, by all means. And then we have a group chat with my girlfriends, and if one of them wanted something so bad and we didn't like it, like, okay, so it stopped recording because I got a phone call and I forget that I have the airplane mode button that I can use, and it's very useful for when you're doing stuff like this. But yeah, I hate it. My sister always calls me when I'm filming, like all the time. Like it never fails. She'll call me while I'm doing a video, or she'll call me when I'm live on my Facebook. I don't know why. Anywho, where was I? Oh yeah, so me and my friends, we switch products. You know, if she likes something and I like something of hers, and she's like, hey, you know, let's do a trade, we'll trade. So that's what I like about this, you know, because sometimes we'll get the same exact thing, or sometimes we'll get something different. Anywho, moving along. Oh yes, the eyeliner. So the eyeliner, I mean, I'm doing this and you can see the black. Yeah, not a big fan of that either. The glitter is literally coming right off. I mean, it's still there, but I guess throughout the time I can see the glitter all over. It's like falling. Okay, so that one values at $21. It says it's waterproof, which I don't think that's true. I don't know. I don't know. Tell me if you guys got this in your Boxy charm, or if you even purchased this ever before, prior, and let me know. Maybe I'll change my mind. I always do that sometimes. I always end up changing my mind of things that I buy or I get. Okay, and last but not least, I'm excited to try this. Oh, Kylie Jenner, on my last Boxy charm review in my June box, I got the Kylie Jenner face wash, and let me just tell you, I'm not a big fan. I wasn't a big fan. I was so excited. That was the one product that I was so excited about, and my shirt's all weird, sorry. That was the one product that I was so excited about, and I started washing my face and I started getting acne so much. Like, I usually get acne when I switch my face washes or any creams. I usually start getting acne because my face is real sensitive like that. But after a while, like, it gets used to it, and well, like, it goes away, right? And I usually use the whole product for the whole month just to see how it works out. That thing did me wrong. Like, look. But it was worse. It's cleared up. I stopped using it. Maybe it worked. I mean, it just didn't work for me. Yeah, so I gave it to my niece. I'm like, here. She's like, why don't you want it? It's literally full. And I'm like, because it gave me acne. And then she's like, well, why do I want it? I'm like, no, you need to try it out just to see if you like it and see if it gives you acne or not. But anyway, moving on. We're gonna do the 111 skin. It's a booster. Pollution. Okay, so today is not my day. My sister interrupts my video, so it stops recording. Then I get a freaking, like, my video stops recording because my storage is full. I forgot to delete all the videos that I saved of my son for when I did a little video for him for his birthday, and I forgot that I had all those videos. Then 3, my sister comes knocking at my freaking door, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like, could this video, like, I'm trying to do this video, no interruptions. My husband left with my baby to go walk around, like, the neighborhood, so that way I can do this, and so he can get some fresh air. And now, yeah. Okay, last thing, I promise. It's 111 or 111 skin. I mean, yeah. I've never heard of this brand. But it's a pollution defense booster. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So, I just bathed. I just showered. I just showered. I did put my lashes just to kind of look a little decent, you know what I'm saying? I told my husband, go buy me some fake nails. I need to put them on just so it looks good for the review, because oh my goodness, like, I'm a disaster. I've been in my pajamas. I've been all over the place. Okay. I love this stuff. It's like I'm a scientist or something. Let me just put a little bit of drop here. Yes, so you have to use this when your face is cleansed. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh shoot, it says shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hands with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to the skin after cleansing. Okay, we're good. Okay, okay, it feels good. Ooh, it feels real good. Okay, it gets a little tacky after a while. You just need a little drop here and there. I have a thing for smelling everything, guys. Okay, it's a little booster. Can feel a little booster coming on. Feel a little bit. Okay. So that gets tacky, but it feels refreshing. It's good. It's good. We're gonna see how this works out for me for the whole month. I try to use the products within the whole month just to get a good view, and when I review the next Boxy charm, I'll tell you guys how it went for me. So yeah, and that one, oh, let me tell you, this one values at $135. Okay, girls and guys, I cannot, or gentlemen, I could not like disagree with what like Boxy Charm does. Like, I know there's a lot of subscriptions out there, and these are like full-size product, okay? Full-size product. And I used to have, like I said, I used to have Ipsy, but you know, it's just a little sampler, and which is a good thing, you know, because if you like it, then you can buy it, but if you don't, then you just got a small portion. But like the face wash, I gave it to my niece. She's gonna use it. You know, it's a full product. And for what I purchased all this, I mean, for $27, you know, alone, the Studio Makeup cream eyeshadow, pretty much I bought this. I mean, yeah, pretty much for the price of this, I was able to get all of that else. I mean, all that. Oh my God, what's wrong with me today? I feel like I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Okay, anywho, so I hope you guys like this review. It was horrible. Hopefully August review will be better. I'm going to be using some of these products to let you guys know how I like them in the next video. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you guys can get a notification or get notified when I upload the next video. All right, girls. Love y'all. Bye.